Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of the machine learning, and in today's video we will learn how we can drop our missing values from a row or from a column. In the last video we have seen how we can find the missing values in our dataset. So in today's video we will see how we can drop them. So I'm currently in my dataset, and as you can see there are so many missing values in our dataset, like in the dot amount, in the loan amount, the first row is empty, and in the self-employed there are also so many empty rows, and in the credit history there are so many empty rows. Now we will move toward the Jupyter notebook and see how we can drop these values. So first of all we have to import our libraries. I'm importing import pandas as pd. uh, Pandas is for importing the dataset, and import cborn as sns. Cborn is for the plotting, and import matplotlib dot pyplot.sp, and matplotlib is for also for the plotting. So now we will move forward and import our dataset pd dot read underscore csv uh, loan csv. So our dataset is imported. So now we will see the first three rows of our dataset and all the columns. So here is our data set, and as you can see there is a missing value in the loan mode, and so many values in our data set are missing. So now we will find how many values are missing in our data set. So it is running. As you can see there are 13 missing values in gender, 3 missing values in married, 15 missing values in dependents, and so many missing values. So now we will plot our missing values dataset dot is null, and we will plot this. So here you can see the missing values in our dataset. Like the white row is showing the missing row in our dataset, and there are so many missing values. And as we have more missing values in the credit history, like 50 missing values in the credit history. So now we are going to see the methods how we can drop the missing values. If the column contains more than missing values, then you have to drop that column. So now we will see how we can drop our column. For this you have to write dataset dot drop columns is equals to, and here you can write credit underscore history. As I want to drop this column, so I will. So here now you can see there are 613 rows and 12 columns, but before there were 615 rows and 13 columns and 13 columns. So this will create a new copy of the dataset. But if you want to delete this column from your original dataset, then you have to write in place equals to true. So now it will delete the credit history column in our original dataset. So we can also delete the rows that contain the empty values, and for this you also need to write the in place equals to true, because otherwise this dataset dot drop na will create a new copy of the dataset with the deleted rows that contain the empty values. So now we will write dataset dot drop na in place equals to true, and I will run this, and you can see our rows that contain the missing values will drop. So now we will write dataset dot shape and see how many data is deleted. So here you can see there are 523 rows and 12 columns. 12 columns because we have already deleted the credit history column in our original dataset, and we have also deleted the empty rows in our original dataset here. So here you can see the shape of the dataset. So now we will see the graph again, and you can see there are no missing values. So this is the method how you can drop your missing values in your data set. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.